cast iron brass sabot or sabot, that when the round went off, this would expand, grip the rifling, twist it, and throw it like a football. Another round would have been exploding shell, hollow, musket balls inside, fuse in the end. 1 inch of fuse is roughly 500 yards of flight. So if I wanted to have this blow up at 1,000 yards, a 2-inch fuse would go in here. When everything ignited, the fuse would start to burn. The powder inside would then explode at a predetermined distance. You'd get the shrapnel, the musket balls, and the concussion blast going off over your heads. My limber carries everything you need. Things like sight, powder carrying bags, tools and implements to service the gun. There would be another wagon behind this that's not here, would be a caisson. My caisson would have 2 more of these boxes. You pull these 2 pins, lift this box off, put another one on, and continue to fight. So the caisson had 2 of these fully loaded, and it also had a spare wheel. If you look at the guns and the limber, this weighs basically nothing. This weighs 1,500 pounds. The wheel's exactly the same, so you only have to carry 1 type of spare. So in a battery, there would be 6 guns. I might have 4 rifles and 2 smoothbores, or vice versa, depending on what my mission was. This gun would be used more for counter battery, which means I would zero in on a gun after it fired on the other side and try and knock it out. If I had a large smoothbore gun, like a Napoleon, that would be used against cavalry and infantry charges because it could shoot much more deadly and bigger rounds at a closer distance of, say, 400 yards, and we would be in support of those guys.